Greetings! In this short video, I'll show you how you can host your Node.js app on Microsoft Azure. Here I have a Node.js app which simply prints "it works." We shall be hosting this app today using Visual Studio Code's extension Azure App Service by Microsoft. We can use npm start to run the Node server here. In order to deploy this app, first head over to Extensions. Here type Azure App Service. Click on the first extension that you see which goes by the name of Azure App Service by Microsoft. Now click on Install. As you can see, I've already installed this extension. After this step, you'll find an Azure icon below the extensions icon. Click on that. You'll notice that first we need to sign into Azure. Now I'll skip to the part where I've already signed in. After you're done with it, in order to deploy your site, click on the blue arrow. Choose the folder you want to deploy and click enter. Now we can either create a new web app or use a pre-existing one. I'm going to create a new one and click on advanced. Now we have to name our web app, so I'll name it testing1311. Note that this will be the domain. Click on enter after you're done. After this, we have to select a resource group, so I'll select one that I've already created for myself. Now choose an OS. I'll go with Windows. After this, we need to create an app service plan. Pick any name and then select F1 free for the pricing tier. Choose the option skip for now when prompted about application insights. After this, choose a region near you or near resources you wish to access. After all the prompts, VS Code shows the Azure resources that are being created for your app in its notification pop-up. It's going to take some time. I'll skip to the part where it's complete. Now in this prompt, selecting yes will tell VS Code to automatically target the same app service web app with subsequent deployments. So click on yes. Now I'll again skip to the part where it's complete. Since we had chosen Windows as our OS, we have some additional steps. Click on your Azure subscription and select your web app. Expand the node for the selected web app service. Now right-click on Application Settings and select Add New Setting. In the prompt, type in capital letters website _ node _ default _ version and click on enter. Enter your node version as the setting value. I'll enter 10.15.2. Now you can check that the new setting is being saved. Do refresh the app service once. After you're done with it, right-click again and click on Restart. After this step, you have successfully deployed your Node app on Microsoft Azure. Thank you for watching.